It's your day off. You cleared your schedule. You did the laundry. You answered the emails. You did everything you were supposed to do so that you could finally just sit. But your chest is tight. Your breathing is shallow. You are sitting completely still, yet your brain feels like it's doing heavy lifting. You try to close your eyes, but a quiet, insidious voice whispers in the back of your head. You're wasting it. You should be doing something. This isn't a lack of focus. It is a profound, exhausting panic. It is time anxiety. You have been conditioned by a world that treats time entirely as a currency, a world that demands rent for the space you take up. You've been tricked into believing that if you aren't tired, you aren't trying. So you make a bargain. You tell yourself, if I just clean the kitchen, then I'll relax. If I just organize my desk, then I'll sit down. But the finish line is a mirage, because the moment you finish the task, the guilt simply finds a new target. The anxiety doesn't want you to be productive. It just wants you to be afraid of stopping. The tragedy of this guilt is that it destroys your work, and then it turns around and destroys your rest. You sit on the couch, unable to enjoy the silence, punishing yourself for not working. You are suspended in a purgatory where you are neither resting nor producing. You are just decaying. But listen to me. You are not an appliance. You do not need to be useful to justify your existence. Rest is not a reward for good behavior. It is not something you have to earn after a week of bleeding yourself dry. It is a biological baseline. It is your right. Time is not a currency you spend. It is a space you inhabit. To heal, you must practice the art of the aimless. You must give yourself permission to exist without a purpose. When the guilt flares up, do not fight it. Just acknowledge it as an old ghost that no longer haunts this house. The world will always demand to know what you achieved today. It will always ask for your metrics, your output, your echoes. But in this room, for the next hour, you don't owe the world a thing. It is okay if your only accomplishment today was simply that you were here. Welcome to the Echo.